Okay, hello again. Sun and shadows. This assumes that you have done the Google Earth section and you have your model orientated correctly in Google Earth. Once we have, it's a very simple matter of going to the Windows menu, down to Shadows. It will open this box. Make sure that you click Display Shadows at the top if it isn't already. And down at the bottom, if the on ground is ticked, you get these grey shadows you don't want. So I tend to untick the on ground, so your shadows will just be on the surfaces you created. You can rotate the model as normal. You have a slider to pick your month of the year, and you have a slider to pick your time of day. So providing you have, as I say, orientated your model correctly in Google Earth, you can predict your shadows for any time of day, any time of the month. Very, very useful. I'll see you in the next video. I hope that was useful. Bye.